Hey Stampin' friends, Darlene with Darling Stamps. So I want to go over Thrifty Thursday of how to use up the scraps because this designer paper of this holiday catalog is wonderful. So I want to go through and show you kind of how to take one piece of cardstock and make these beautiful tags. Now these are bigger tags, or they can be just used as cards. They're a little bit small for cards, but to get the most bang for your buck, that's what we're all about, right? So we are going to take, we're going to take a 8.5 by 11, and we are going to make it look just like this. So we are going to take the 8.5 by 11, we're going to take off the 1/2 inch, and then we are going to take it landscape and cut three 3/4 pieces, and then we'll have these 2 pieces left over. Okay, so that is our card. We're going to make those 3 out of that and just assemble this real quick. And I was going to score it, but you know what, I can make it just as fast there. And they're on back order, but my edger is not cutting very straight, so I'm just going to try that up. Okay, so the pieces, I've already kind of cut them, but these are scrap pieces of this beautiful paper. See the foil, the copper foil in that? So rather than having all these pieces wasted, I am going to use them to make a gift tag. So this is going to be, let me just put it right here, you can see that, going to be my piece. And I'm going to just basically put those right in and kind of make a puzzle on it. And that one should go there, yep. And now remember that this is the, this is Thrifty Thursday, but we have the seasons of joy, joy of the season. If you have not seen them, this is week 3, and I've already loaded that, and hopefully you've seen that video. And then we have 3 more weeks, and those are coming up upon us, and that will be for the rest of our cards. And then the last 6, the last 6 of the series will be embellishments and gift boxes and gift tags and just a number of different types of Christmas things that can make gift giving, can make your gift boxes look amazing. So we're just going to take and put this down on our base. Well, we're not going to do it this one. I was going to put my stamping on it, but this one I'm just going to leave blank. Okay, and then this was another piece of that designer paper, and I just kind of scallop out. This was actually the scallop. You know how we take the inside and I make the punches, because it was a layer piece. And it was on a card, and oh, here it is. Okay. All right. This was our card we did last, for this, it was a sample we did. But see this background? Remember, we're not going to see it, and I wasn't going to waste it, so I popped this out of the center for this one on top. So I wanted to use that. And then this is going to be our piece. I'm going to use the Peaceful Noel, and we are just going to use the Noel. And I know I've been saying it, it's probably going to be getting to be an old comment, but I just love, I guess because it's a rich color of this Merry Merlot, but I'm going to probably use it to death. But I like it a lot. I like it. Okay, and then we have, that's the Noel, and then this is kind of a neat little It's a little dot, dot, dots. And that's we're going to put underneath the Noel, just like that. Okay, there's the Noel. Ta-da! All right, so we got that wiped off. And then I put the base down. Oops, I put the base down and glued that. You can see my hands, I've been busy, so I'm all inky. So, but that's the base. And then I wanted to bring out some of the copper. So we are going to use, this one of my pieces left over, going to use the sprig, which is really, really, really a pretty stamp or a punch. And we are going to do 2 of those with the copper glimmer paper. And to make those stay in place, I'm going to just put the snail behind it. And then let's put this one right here. And then I'm going to use the double-side tape, just because it's a big space, and I want to give it a little bit of a pop, and it'll help stay down those little sprigs on my paper. All right, and then get that backing off, and we are going to pop this right in the center. Voila! And then because I'm going to make these for tags, I'm going to just pop, oops, let me get the center here, there we go. I don't have one of those crocodiles. Those were really strong. And then I'm going to take and put this ribbon, which is just beautiful. It's in the same, on the same page as the Peaceful Noel, because it is just the copper and the Merry Merlot, so it all kind of blends together. But that's what makes Stampin' Up! Wonderful, is that this is just a work of art. You don't have to worry about it matching, because it is matched for you. All right, and let's tie this a little bit better. Okay, and then we'll do a little snip of our, whoops, that didn't turn out right. There, and there. All right, so there you go. And then these are just two other cards, gift tags that I made. This one is a little different. Rounding the edges, again, using the scrap pieces. And this actually, I'm sorry to say, is a retired set, but I didn't have another tree to show you. But this is in the Christmas Blessing, which is in this one, Christmas Pines, which is in the current catalog. All right, well, I hope that you enjoy that. We are looking at Thrifty Thursday, just using up the scraps, every little bit of the pieces till there is no more, but it's beautiful. Have a great day. I hope to talk to you soon. See you next week for Joy of Season, week 4. Have a wonderful day. Bye for now.